of all, for those of you who are receiving Post-it notes, just make sure that each of you take one Post-it note, and it is for our last speaker. So just hold on to it and pass it along as it comes around. So we'll make sure that they get around at some point. So our three speakers for this session are Anna Brady, Kari Norgard, and C. Green. And unfortunately, Ron Reed with the Karuk tribe was unable to come because of a family obligation, and we just found out this morning, and he sends his regrets, and I know how much he wanted to be here with everyone, and I'm very glad that he's able to be with his family today, that we will miss his presence. So with that, I will introduce our speakers. Because we'll have a little bit of time, I'm very excited that we have, as part of the Climate Change and Indigenous Peoples Lecture that took place on Wednesday, we brought 5 tribal students from different parts of the Northwest region, and they have been with us throughout the whole symposium, and one of the students, C. Green, is part of our panel today, and Jen Willip, another one of our visitors, is going to provide a response. So after our speakers are done, we're going to invite Jen to join us and provide a response to what she's heard in this morning's sessions. So Anna Brady will be our first speaker. She's an advocate, writer, and soon-to-be attorney whose work moves at the intersection of conservation and Indigenous advocacy. Since 2015, concurrent to undertaking law school at the University of Oregon, Anna has served as the policy and communication strategist for Utah Diné Bikéyah, a Native-led nonprofit that helps spearhead the Bare Ears National Monument Initiative. Anna holds a Master's in Environmental Humanities from the University of Utah, and she graduates next week from the University of Oregon School of Law. Anna is heading home to the Salish Sea region to work for the Washington State Supreme Court. Our second speaker is Dr. Kari Marie Norgard, an associate professor of sociology and environmental studies here at the University of Oregon, where she thinks and writes about the intersections of climate change, emotions, tribal environmental justice, gender, colonialism, health, race, and climate denial. Along with Ron Reed, Kari has been working on policy-relevant research on tribal environmental health since 2003. And together, Kari and Ron have co-supervised over a dozen undergraduate theses and have co-authored several publications. And then our last speaker is C. Green, an enrolled member of the Nez Perce tribe. She has her Bachelor of Science in Chemistry from Northern Arizona University, where she researched environmental transport and stabilization of uranium on the Navajo Reservation and completed internships with the Nez Perce Tribe, Department of Energy, Hanford Environmental Protection Agency, and the Institute of Tribal Environmental Professionals. Currently, C is pursuing her master's degree in science teaching at Portland State University. I will hand it to Anna.